Oh my god, where'd you got that Play-Doh?
Smiths.
And how many colors in there?
36.
And it's all rainbow colors, yeah?
Yeah.
And what are you gonna make today?
Maybe an ice cream man.
Ice cream man?
Van.
Oh, ice cream van. Ooh, because it's very hot in here today, yeah?
Yeah.
It's like roasting, is it?
Yeah.
So you feel like you want
The
some...
cheese are bloom.
The
And
cheese
the
are
flowers
bloom. The cheese are bloom.
No, the trees.
Oh, the trees.
And the flowers are blooming.
The flowers are blooming. Wait, I'll show. There you go. Everything is blooming. Ready to open?
Yes.
Come on. Show me the colors.
I cannot take this.
Yes, you can. Whoa. I love that orange color. Okay, we're gonna take them all out. I'm gonna help you. So this is all the colors was in the box, yeah? And which color are you gonna pick for the ice cream one?
White. I'm just gonna move these kind of over so they're not in the way.
So you picked all the colors you need, yeah? So using white one first, yeah? Haha.
I don't want to jump on the floor.
So Amelie's making big square. I'm making smaller square for the ice cream van. Okay. So you make a little ball.
Okay. A big ball.
Yeah, between your hands. Then you kind of squeeze it like this. And then with your fingers, like this.
So what do you do?
What do you do? Yeah, and then flat. Not too much. Yeah. And then with your fingers like this. Yeah, and like this.
That's not big enough.
That's perfect.
That's small.
That's good. You don't need big ice cream. Wait, we'll see if that's okay. So we made a little van, yeah?
Yep.
I mean, you made it.
Yeah.
And it smells amazing. It smells like ice cream already.
Ooh, actually does.
What's next?
Make these little lines.
For the windows, is it?
No.
The windows and the sides, yeah. And what color you use?
Purple.
She's doing purple sides and I'm doing blue windows, yeah? Oh my god, look at that blue. Oh, that's so nice. So just a little nibble. Very good. I have to make 2 ballsies for each window. I think I ate too much. I think I'm going cuckoo. Okay, so the same. Press and then you shape it with your fingers. Any shape you want. You know what? I should bring... No, it's fine. I can use my hands. Is that okay size? It's too big. Oh no. Well, I cut in half then. Actually, you need the tiny bits for the windows. I have to. That should be fine. And then one for the front. Front one has to be like a bit smaller. How are you doing, girl?
Good, kind of.
Oh, very nice. I love that colors.
I'm just gonna be making the
No, you stick the
wheels.
windows, okay? And then we're gonna do wheels.
So is this a window? Is this a front?
Yeah, that's the little front window.
This is
This side. And on the other side. Now, what color are you gonna use for the wheels?
wheels are black.
So the wheels has to be
Look, I
tiny.
turned it out.
Ooh, that's perfect. Not too much, yeah? How many wheels?
4. Plus 2 plus 2 is 4. Put them on the floor.
That's okay, don't pick. Once you draw Play-Doh on the floor, show me.
It's not that much.
It's a little bit dirty. Ukaka. I wouldn't use this. Maybe I will, actually. Now, you ready? Make 2 little balls, like this size, see? Okay.
This is big.
4 little ballsies, and you can't see on the table because the table is black.
I'll put it in my hand.
Yeah.
So who makes
2 little balls, the same size. Okay? So the middle of the wheel is gonna be a pink, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of red, because
So the one looks like this now.
no one.
Ice cream. Man.
One. Not
Oh,
mine.
very nice. And what's next?
The lights.
The lights. What color the lights?
Yellow.
You stick them at the front, yeah?
It's a nose.
Is it? Show
One
me.
pokey book.
Ooh.
It's a book.
Excuse me.
But once you do one of them, it's eyes.
I love that
Or a
yellow.
nose.
Oh wow.
What else? We need to do ice creams.
Ice creams. What colors are you gonna use for ice cream?
I want to use.
Bye. So these colors we use for ice cream, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, what the hell? Wow. No, look.
What? That looks
It
so
looks like
delicious.
brownies dripping.
Fudge.
Fudge.
Give me a little. I'll make a little. Yeah, it is. It's like dribbling. I'll make a little ice cream. Remember, they have to be tiny. Okay? I'm making an ice cream cone, am I?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it has to be biggish because it's at the top. Okay, so ice cream top like this.
Mine's just gonna be like.
Ew. Oh, I love it. So you make like this, and then I use my nail to make little stripes. Different. That makes look like real ice cream. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Looks like this now. What color you want? Okay. And a little bubble. It's a little bit hard to make it. I think I want like blue ice cream too. I love minty ice cream and the bubble gum. What's your favorite? Ooh, look at that.
Bubble gum.
Bubble gum. These are my favorite.
I'm just pressing it where my tongue is to make it like it good.
I stick to my ice cream on.
Then I'm making it kind of bigger.
Okay, you finish it.
Do 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 do.
What's the music saying, Ice Cream Man?
Do do do. I don't know.
Haha! Look, show me, show me.
So here's the front. Here's the front. There's the back. There's the side. And there's the ice cream.
I can't wait for Ice Cream Man to come over.
Are we getting ice cream?
Of course we are.
Yes. I want it.
Go! Go!
I don't want to.
Yes, you do.
You're coming.
I am coming. Oh, look, the Ice Cream Man. Come on, sing. Thank you.
This is gonna be for Lucy.
They look tasty. Yummy. How does it taste?
Really good.
Really good. Thank you, Ice Cream Man. Ooh.